Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre, back another day with another unboxing. I really like this jacket. It was just an impulse buy and I've grown to like it more and more. Mostly because of the colors, white and dark blue. But it is sort of an autumn jacket, maybe a winter jacket, so it's a bit too hot to have in the summer. So I saw that Ralph Lauren has a very similar jacket, but in fleece. So no leather, no fake leather, no nothing like that. It looks like this, but it's in fleece. So let's check it out. And I sort of was waiting to buy it because I have had recently bad experience with Ralph Lauren sizing. Yeah, that's the least I can say. And I think that their quality is not as good as before, yada yada yada, but mostly it's because of their sizing was way off. But the weird thing is that I live in Malmö, Sweden, third biggest city, and we have no one that sells Ralph Lauren clothing. We used to have several stores that sell Ralph Lauren. We used to have our own Ralph Lauren stores, but no, now none. So I ordered the jackets directly from Ralph Lauren. I later saw that the jacket was available on some other sites, even cheaper, and with free shipping. Ralph Lauren took 100 kronor shipping. But I'm pretty sure the packaging will be same. So what I'm worried about is the sizing. If it would be another brand, I would take double XL. But the last time I ordered something, I think I ordered XL and they were like triple XL. So the sizing I'm a bit worried about. And then I realize now that I wouldn't call it a summer jacket maybe. It's more like a sweater that looks like a jacket, yeah. And here in Malmö at least, in the summer, what you need to have is a light jacket that can take rain. Because it more or less can rain anytime here in Malmö, in Sweden. So a cotton jacket that is way too big. Damn. Okay, maybe not too big in measures. It's just that why this? So if I could try it in a store, I would actually try large. But I don't think I will send this back. What do you think? Because I have long arms, gorilla arms, so that's one of the reasons why I take extra large XL. But I have sort of a wide back, so that's why I need to take double XL most of the times. And with many brandings, when you go from large to XL and double XL, the only thing that gets bigger is stomach and this arm thickness that is maybe common in US, I don't know. The length of the body and the arms, then you need to go with Ralph Lauren big and large. So they have their own selection with big and large. That is nice in the arms for me, but way too long. They're like, yeah, like a skirt or something. So it's not bad, but for the pricing, I think it was almost 400 euro, I think. Then it's nothing special. And I would like to try on a size smaller. But I bought it for, I want a summer version of this. That's why I bought it. And I like the P. I think it's a P. So P for Pierre. What do you think? Should I don't know if they have free return, but should I return it and try a size smaller that is maybe too short in the arms? And then I will probably not take an XL again. I will just skip it. That's why you should try, or you should buy things in stores. Jackets, pants, I never order pants online. Jackets, I don't prefer to order online, but I do. So for a size guide reference, I am 6.1 feet. I am more or less 94, 95 kilos. The models that were wearing this were taller than me and wore a size medium. That would be just wrong. I my go-to size is XL. I sometimes need double XL, and that's my size. And I think a large would be too small, and this XL, let me button it up. Yeah, come on. This XL is for somebody that is fatter than me, that have fat hanging from the arms and a big belly. And this jingle from the buttons irritates me. That irritates me a lot. Not worth the money. That's it. What do you think? Should I? Come on. What is this? I think I'm going to send it back. Too bad. Ralph Lauren has disappointed me once again with their sizing.